I think we have two choices in front of us. Either way, we're not launching. No. Okay, I mean, the issue in essence is that like because it's an extra large, it's the first time we're doing like this new neck size and a new knob. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It just like fell a little
Yes.
bit versus like, other knob right here, which is like
Right. You
I
have to
have to like
really
push
press
it. But we can't launch it like this. I don't think we have a choice. The only way that we can fix this is by changing the knob itself. From there, we have to swap out every single box's knob.
Oh my God, that's so many lids.
It also is extremely sad because we were like this close to launching.
It's going to be tough, but the people want it so bad, we got to give it to them.
All right, well, we don't have a choice.
We don't. Let's do the thing. We got it.
This is the way it goes.